Woo! This is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals in the house. The Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! The Vanilla Ice of crypto coming to you live from Asia, live from Vietnam. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys having a fine day out there. Hopefully things are looking a lot better than yesterday when we had that Evergrande meltdown. People were going crazy yesterday. I was getting texts. People were texting, what's going on? What's going on? Ah! People were losing their minds yesterday when we had the meltdown, the crypto meltdown. So we got a great video for you today. I think it's a great video. You may not think it's a great video. I think it's a great video. So we're going to talk about, we got some really bad news for Avalanche. So all you Avalanche holders in the house, buckle up because we got some bad news. I'm an Avalanche holder, and when I read this news, I went, oh, beep, beep, beep. So you can probably guess what I said. So we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about the markets, the broader markets, because the broader markets are looking greeny, wee, 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 wee. And also we're looking at the Doge. Look out, Doge. Jackie Chan. Looks like Doge is about to break out. We're going to get a big pumpity pump. I told you. Doge is a weird one. When you're not expecting the Doge to be down, suddenly, wham! And Doge is breaking out. Doge is about to break out, guys. It's weird. It's wacky. It's the Dogeverse. It's weird and wacky. That's why we love the Doge. That's why we love the Doge community. Because we're just weird and wacky, guys. Like the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, Vanilla Ice of crypto. I'm on fire, guys. It's getting pretty late for me. So I normally get a bit of an energy burst late at night. I don't know why. It's just the way I'm wired. I'm wired, guys. So remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes only. And remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. And I got to say that because if I don't say that, I'll get in trouble. You know how it is. These days. Got to keep it on the down low. So I'm keeping it low. So guys and gals, please go back and watch some of my other videos. We had a huge video, The End. You guys need to watch that. Crypto crash over? I don't know. You got to watch the video, guys. There's some pretty major indicators that we got to keep an eye on for the next couple of days. And that will tell us if we're going down, or going uptown, guys. I mean, I hope I'm going uptown because, with this little crashy-washy that we have because of China meltdown and the Evergrande, I lost some buku dollar. I lost some buku dollar on my crypto. I didn't sell a thing. I'm just like, here we go again. But I'm used to this kind of thing. So, I mean, I don't get emotional about money. I never do. I don't care. I just found that the less I care about money, the more I get. It's just like weird. People like everybody. Hang on. I don't think about it. I don't care. So that's just the way I am. I don't care about money. And it's just like, okay, I got this money tree. I don't know what's happening. So we got some new subscribers in the house. And these people are subscribed today. These subscribers are minty fresh subscribers, guys. Yeah, I'm telling you, today they sub the OG. So we got Alex in the house. We got Wolfham in the house, and we got L. And this looks like public school. I think it's L public school. If my Chinese is right. If anybody knows what those characters are, did I get it right? Let me know in the comment. I'd love to hear if I got it right. Maybe I got it wrong. You got it wrong. So it's L something public school. Because this last character means school, learning, or something. And this is public, if I remember my kanji from my Japanese. I speak Japanese, by the way. And Christian Cruz in the house. We got Steve Coopard in the house. And Jonas in the house. And that's what's up. Yeah, welcome, guys. Woo, 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 woo. And guys, don't forget to do me a favor. Remember, you got to tell the YouTube algorithm that you like this content. The only way you can do that is do two things. One, smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Come on, smash the likes. And the other thing, you know what's coming. Subscribe right now. Subscribe, guys. Wow, go down there. Subscribe. Wow, subscribe. Likey. Sure, if you don't like too, you can also dislike. I don't care. If you don't like the OG and make a nasty comment, that's also okay too. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat. Okay, guys. So let's jump into pre-markets, all the silliness out of there. Get the silliness out of it. So right now, we're looking at the pre-markets right now. And the pre-markets are looking pretty good. So it looks like we got green for the Dow, green for the S&P, and green for the NASDAQ. So that should mean that when you guys in America wake up, and this is a friendly warning, don't take the markets down, because you guys have been doing that. Have a bad habit. People in America been having a bad habit of every time the Asians and Europeans were like, yeah, we're trying to pump it up, Doge, pump it up, and then we hand over the game, the halftime game over to the Americas, and you guys fumble the ball to the other team constantly. It's constantly, So, we just got some breaking news. It just flashed. Dow rebounds slightly from Monday's. Okay, that's good. It's good. Gaining 100 points. So the Dow's up like 100 points. Yeah. Let's go, Dow. Get it. So let's take a look at some important data. Right now, we can see that the total market cap is 1.935 trillion, and we're up 1.11%. The 1.16%. Keep talking now. 1.17. Keep talking. It's going up. Oh, it's going up. So you guys can see. You see, guys. I'm talking, and this thing is going up. Maybe I need to keep talking. I'm gonna do a vocal mind meld on the market. Mind meld, go up. It's going. Look, you guys can see it's going up. Let me one more time. Mind meld that. I did it. You did it. It's going up. One more time. Ready? Oh, I better stop. It's going down. So it looks like the markets are turning around. That's pretty good news. I like it. And guys, I know that I keep talking about this, but this is really important. This is the Bitcoin on the weekly, and we have this yellow brick road line, yellow brick road line, and this is the 21-day EMA, and it's so important that historically speaking, if Bitcoin drops below the 21-day EMA, that is a huge King Kong super duper dinosaur bear signal. So we really need to stay above that. Otherwise, if we don't stay above that, then we could be going down for a couple months, or that could signal the end of the bull run as we know it, and it could signal the Debbie Downer season, the bear, the frosty. Get your winter coat, the bear winter. So, guys, just keep an eye on that. Please do that. If you're a newbie out there and you don't know what this is, go to TradingView and go to Bitcoin and turn on to the weekly time frame, and just go here, this FX thing, click on that, type in EMA, get it up there, then you go and add it to your chart, and then you go to the settings section, and then I'll just show you guys in case then you go to, that's the style, then you go to the inputs, and you put 21 day. That's simple as that, guys. That's what you do, and then you just keep an eye on that. And if you start to see it go down, down, then you know that the crypto crash is not over. The crypto summer is finito. The crypto summer is finished, and now we're gonna get the crypto winter, guys. So just keep an eye on that. So we got about 4 or 5 more days. So keep an eye on that. We haven't finished a week yet, so we can still get lucky. And we're just below it, like danger close below, but we could pick up. So we need Bitcoin to pick up. And right now, Bitcoin is trading at $42,985. So giddy up, Bitcoin. We need to. And Charles, my Bitcoin, he needs to giddy up, because if not, I'm going to get rid of Charles and convert him to cash, and then Charles will be no more. So some bullish news. Major Brazilian bank, BTG, practical to offer investment opportunities, investment options in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Oh yeah, this is good news. So BTG is like one of the major high street banks in Brazil, like Citi or Wells Fargo kind of equivalent. And customers will be Customers will be able to trade digital assets directly through a new platform called Mint, I guess. And the offering will be available from the next quarter and include 2 leading cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's good news. So It looks like if you're a Brazilian, you can, if you're down in Rio de Janeiro, you can basically, be there on the beach and get your appy wappy, and you can be trading in the bitty and the ethereum in the house on the beach. Yeah, I love it. So that's some bullish news. All right, guys. So some other news right now. We can see that one of the reasons why we had this big jumpity jump is, if you can see, yesterday on September 18th, September 19th, we had almost 1.15 billion dollars of leverage long got wrecked. They're out there, boom. And then today, and then on the 20th, remember this is US based time, right? So yesterday we had 583 million leverage longs, bang, out of there. And you can just see the yellow line. The yellow line is the Bitcoin price. So we had that big crash before, then we had this little mini correction. So you can see the biggest problem with the crypto market is these leverage traders. I tell you, time and time again, these guys spoil the fun, and every time they get wrecked, and they never, ever, ever learn. And after we had this big crash, they thought that they were going to outsmart the market, and they thought, we just had this big crash, and we're going to make some real fast money, and we're going to outsmart the market, and we're going to put a leverage long on the bitty, and we're going to make a ton of money. Well, guess what? China meltdown, da, 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 da. Ding, 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 ding. So, was it a manipulation? I mean, was all the China, I mean, the Evergrande thing is real, but, the FUD generated, that could be orchestrated, right? Because, what exchanges want to do is they want to hit the max pain level, right? Max pain is the terminology when the most leveraged long or shorts get liquidated. Okay, that's what max pain is. So could they take an advantage of this evergreen thing and basically create a lot of FUD, and that helped flash crash down the market? Could be, guys, because there was a lot of longs, guys. If you go back to June, this goes all the way back. We're not seeing these kind of leverage positions. And there were a ton of leverage positions. They got wrecked. They got wrecked. They got out of there. They lost like $1 billion. Like if we take those two candles there, it's like $1.5 billion. Boom, out of there. That's about half of the amount that happened here, right? Which was like 3.2. This one is like 1.15, and this one is 5. So yeah, 1.5. So half the amount of this. And so we also, if you look at the way we dipped, here, the dip was almost 50% of the previous dip. So is that market manipulation? If it walks like a duck, sounds like a duck, quack, quack, it's probably a duck. So yeah, this is some of the biggest manipulation on planet Earth is going on, guys. So guys, remember, don't believe everything you read, okay? Because there's manipulation. That's why I still firmly believe that, we are absolutely going to be seeing huge upside in October, and 63K I think is incoming. I think Plan B hit it on the nail and got it exactly right. So let's look at the daily on-chain exchange flow, and we can see that the net flow for Bitcoin was plus 161. So that's money flowing back onto the exchanges. That's because they're selling. Ethereum also net flow is plus 611 million. That's because they're selling. And we also had 302.8 million in US Tether, and that's because people were buying the dippy dip. So guys, buy the dippy dip, dips, because you can double dip now. Things are on sale. So here's the bad news, guys. This is bad. This is Debbie Downer. So it looks like Avalanche DeFi platform V-Finance suffers $35 million, and I'm not going to say that one, but you know what I mean. They got tuned up. They got tuned up for $35 million. Looks like they was fall victim to another exploit. So what they're doing is they're in like what I call blockchain combat mode, and the developers are now doing an investigation, what caused it, and they're installing a patch. So the problem's been now solved, but still they got $35 ding 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 out of there. So probably I'm sure that the person who took the 35 million, there's probably going to be a bug ransom. So they're going to tell the guy, look, give us the money back, and we'll give you a bug bounty. So typically, a bug bounty is typically 10% of what they took. So he 10% of 35 million. There's some nice change right there. So he'll probably get about 3 mil or so, 3 mil or more for a bug bounty. So it's a good day's work for a professional like that. So, and we're seeing a lot of that, right? I mean, in the last week, this is like the fourth case. It's crazy, right? So over 1 billion in crypto futures liquidated among Evergrande concerns. We talked about that. So they got liquidated. Don't be greedy. And I tell everybody out there, never ever leverage trade. You will get wrecked and you lose your money. So don't leverage trade, guys. I mean, even huge, professional investors, the professionals out there, they get wrecked. I mean, there's 1.5 billion liquidated in 2 days. Come on, guys. You don't think some of those guys were pretty savvy investors? Of course. Don't leverage trade because you're not in control of the market. The exchanges are in control, okay? And they know how to manipulate. Some other news, Compass Mining launches home Bitcoin mining service. So basically what that is you buy a mining machine, and there's a couple of configurations, and you send them like $8,000 or $9,000 or $10,000 for Antminer S19 or a Watts Miner M1316, and they set it up for you. They do everything as turnkey, and you mine from home. That's pretty cool. I mean, it'd probably be cheaper for you to pick it up yourself and just configure it yourself, but they do the whole configuration, and they connect to F2 pool. So that's what they do. And this is new, so there could be a whole bunch of home miners. But with this whole infrastructure bill, home mining, you may need the KYC, right? So let's see how that pans out, guys. So some other news in the house is Doge. Looks like Doge is coming back. Doge is about to pump, guys. So if you can see, Doge is coming back. Doge is like a 21.39. Pump it up, Doge. Pump it up. So Doge is breaking out right now, and that's looking good. And Doge almost retested his 22-cent level. So that's pretty good. And if you let's look at Bitcoin in the house. Bitcoin is not doing as well as Doge. It's at 43,481. But Doge is painting some green, guys. Green machine. I told you, Doge will just do the weirdest thing. Suddenly, bam! Doge broke out. Why? Who let the Doge out? Woof, woof. Who let the Doge out? Woof, woof. Doge pump it up. So Doge is breaking out, guys. So if you're a Dogecoin holder, yeah, we're bouncing back with a fury. Fear and greed is still at 27, guys. Bang. So this is a good time to buy the dips. Buy the dippy dip. A lot of things are on sale. So get it while you can, guys. Ethereum in the house. Ethereum is trading at 3,046. So my Doge is coming back faster than Ethereum. That's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is it's just broken past my $2.16 line, so that's now become support. So we're just above the $2.17 now. So we're above the $2.16. So this is really good. Cardano is also coming back, like the Doge is coming back, but Doge is coming back much faster. And my Solana in the house is at $140. So it's gone back to my line in the sand. Come on, Solana, giddy up. But the good news is we're trading in this descending triangle, and I think we're going to break out pretty soon once a Dogecoin giddies up. But not Dogecoin, Bitcoin, but Dogecoin's already giddy up. Who let the Doge out? So it's a great time to be alive, guys. And let's take a look at Avalanche in the house. Even though the Avalanche had that 35 million explode on their DeFi platform, they're coming on back too. So Avalanche is looking good. So hopefully, if you guys bought the dips yesterday, some of those dip buys, the buys on the dips or the dippy buys, are probably starting to move into some profit for some reason. So congratulations on that one. That's a great time to be alive. And let's take a look at the marks right now. So the market's at 1.97 trillion. I think we'll be probably above 2 trillion by the time Asia wakes up tomorrow. So that's good news. And right now, where the volumes are 106, people are still buying the dips, guys. So it's decision time, guys. Should you be buying the dips? Yes or no? Will Bitcoin go down? Yes or no? So it's decision time. I personally think you should be buying the dips, and I personally think that we will close the week just slightly above the 21-day EMA. That's my opinion. This is not financial advice. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. So we can see that Bitcoin is at $43,267, and that's down 1.54%, guys. Ethereum is down 0.33, so that's probably going to turn green pretty soon, and that's at 3,053 in the house. And ADA is coming back with a vengeance, $2.18 in the house. Thank you, Cardano. I'm a Cardano holder, and that's up 1.226%. BNB in the house is down 371. It's up. It's at 371. It's not down, and it's down 0.47. They also got a hack today too. So Solana in the house is coming back. My Solana is 140.85. So we'll call it 141. It's up 1%, guys. DOT is 29.47, and DOT's going to turn green today once the futures and the Nasdaq and the Dow opens. And my Doge in the house is showing some green, and it's at 21.4, and I love it even more. And Avalanche is pumping right now. It's up 5.77%, so that's pretty good, and it's 65. I love it. Luna is still down. Time to pick up some Luna, guys. Chainlink is down. Pick it up, guys. A good time to pick up. Algorand is still down for 7 days. You can still pick this up. It's still pretty cheap. Atom, it's too late. You missed the boat. You missed the boat. Get me to the chopper. Arnold Schwarzenegger. And Matic is a good pickup right now. It's down 11.42% over 7 days. So it's a good pickup. Let's see what else we got. FTT, get some FTT. This is going to absolutely pop. Poppity pop, 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 pop soon. This is not financial advice. Pick that bad boy up right now. VET, now's a good time to get some VET. It's down 17%. So even if it comes back to zero, you'll still be up 17%. Tezos, yes, pick some up. So that's about it, guys, from the OG in your house. So, guys, with that being said, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow me now. Turn on the notifications. And don't forget to smash the likes. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this channel. And if YouTube is listening, Team YouTube, just want to say we love you. Thank you. Thank you for supporting us. We love you very much. And don't forget to smash the likes. Almost forgot. And don't forget to follow my Linky Winkers. Remember, this is not financial advice. None of this video is financial advice. I just got to say that. Boom, not financial advice. And please, go to Zen Music Addict. And I want everybody watching right now, go to Zen Music Addict. Subscribe. You got to do it because I'm not doing another thing. We need 600 subscribers for Zen Music Addict by tomorrow. So everybody in the live stream, I need you to go to Zen Music Addict and subscribe right now. Do it. Okay? This is a wife channel. And I need to support the wife. Come on. And guys, go to Patreon. Support the channel. Buy the channel a coffee. Go to www.kofi.com. Being Crypto Squad. Do it now. And remember, all the coffees. Become channel members. Do it. And all the channel memberships, the merch, the coffees, the super chats that you guys provide in the streams, that all goes to charity. Goes to feed the orphans and the homeless here in Vietnam. Help them out. Help the OG. And finally, check out the merch in March. We got the hats. We got the polo shirt. We got the hoodies. And finally, we got the. I love the mug. It just sounds like get the mug. Happiness is in the mug. Happiness is in the mug, guys. And get the backpack to carry the mug. And get the pillow willow when your head is getting heavy. But get the happiness in the mug. There's lots of happiness in the OG mug. So guys, I just want to say I'm working for you. I love you guys. Thank you very much for being part of this community. This is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, the Vanilla Ice, the ice baby of crypto in the house. Let's get it. Be well. God bless each and every one. Woo! I love it. You guys love it. Let's get it right now. See you in the next one. Woo!